wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, we are doing some decluttering today. I don't know, just in a cleaning up the whole apartment type mood. And then I saw my makeup trains, which need to be cleaned up. So I'm just gonna be going through and seeing what I'm going to keep, what I'm not. I don't even know if there's like a specific category like foundations, anything like that. We're just gonna see what happens with today's video. So if you guys want to see that, let's go. I can't see how many minutes we have left, but I think I only have like 20-ish minutes. So we're just going to go and declutter until I can't go no more. Okay, so pulling this one over first, I'm looking at setting powders. I've been using the same ones, the Huda One Size Charlotte Tilbury lately. So let's see, this Danessa yellow. I just remembered I was supposed to try that pink powder from Danessa and I haven't done. I'm gonna put that in my sport cart right now. I think it's sold out. That's why I didn't. How many minutes do I have left? 21. 21. That's why I didn't try the pink. The yellow, I'm gonna keep Danessa. What is this? This Makeup Forever setting powder. This is a good matte setting powder if you have oily skin. I'm gonna keep this one. Amicole. It's a good powder. I'm gonna keep it. You know what? Let's just look through the ones that I'm not going to keep. Let's do that instead because, you know, Rare Beauty setting powder in medium deep. I feel like she can go. She's a cute powder. Like, Rare hasn't launched anything that I'm just like, you know, I didn't like my experience with it. I wouldn't recommend. But they also have some products that are like, you know, I can do without you. So I got this little Mugler bag over here. I'm gonna drop anything that I'm going to declutter in there. Is there anything else I want to? This Laura Mercier. Is this the right one? Yes. Is it? This is the Ultra Blur in medium deep, not the regular, the Ultra Blur. I'll let this go. Ooh. What is this? This NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying powder. Is this a foundation or a setting powder? It says mattifying powder. She can go. I just remembered that I have the La Mer powder. She's not going nowhere. Yeah, the most, how much is the Chanel? I think this costs more than the Chanel powder. I think. So the most expensive powder, I'm gonna keep both. The most expensive powder that I own. Very pretty on the face, if you're into very light makeup, definitely one to keep around. So she's not going anywhere. This is the Secret Brightening Powder from Laura Mercier. I'm gonna keep it. I haven't used it in I don't know how long, but I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so let's move on. This is the Ultra Blur Honey Powder. I think I preferred the original honey powder from them. I think. I'm gonna keep it just so I can try it one more time just to make a decision. But she might be on her way out. Okay, when it comes to setting sprays, are there any setting sprays that need to go? What's this? This Sephora. Ooh, why you feel loose and a little wet? Okay. This Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. I think I only tried this like a couple times. I didn't like how it set. The finish of it gave like a sheeny satin that I wasn't really here for. So that can go. This Makeup Forever Face Fix definitely kept, oh, it's a bird. Definitely kept your face matte, but then I tried the Super Fix and it's a better version. So this one can go because take no space. And then I have the Mented Better Set Setting Spray, Vitamin C and E. This is one of those setting sprays that you spray, you know, to like kind of blend everything together, and for a natural finish, stuff like that, sometimes to be given like water when you spray it on your face. Like, you know when people spray Fix Plus on the face, like that's what this is in my mind. You know, I've got the Makeup Revolution Super Fix, the One Size, the Charlotte, like those set, you know, set the face. These like blender type setting sprays where, you know, it just kind of melts everything together. Cute. But I got other ones of those and I need just a little bit more. So this one I'm gonna let go of. Concealer. I only have about 2 concealers that I wear, so I could stand to let some go. The Huda Beauty concealer, I'm gonna let her go. I wasn't that impressed. I swear this is the tube concealer that they had, just repackaged into this type formula, because also people didn't like that packaging, and I wasn't that impressed with that concealer when I tried it either. I swear it's the same thing, just repackaged. So this can go. Another concealer I was not impressed with, the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Light Concealer. Wasn't that impressed with it. If I had to pick between this and the thicker tube and thicker formula Born This Way, I don't know if it's Born This Way concealer, but the other Too Faced concealer that's really popular, I'd go with the other one. Actually, I've been meaning to repurchase that because I've been through this where I'll try things and I'm like, no, I can let go of it. Then I let go of it and I'm like, okay, well wait, my routine changed, so maybe I can try it again, stuff like that. And it's literally just been sitting in my Sephora cart. Like this Omicole concealer. I don't remember anything about it, so you can go. What is this? Who is this? This Makeup by Mario concealer. That can go. Was not. I have all of these from Juvia's Place. What are these? These are the blushes, powder blushes. This one looks like that. Very pretty colors, very flattering colors, pigmented. Are these all blushes? Yes. So I kept all these because they're all so pretty, but like at some point you gotta be realistic, baby girl. You're gonna actually use them. There's this one. Like, girl, you can let go of this one. Come on. What you gonna do with this? This one, that one can go. Let me see what's in this one. That is pretty. That one gonna stay because she pretty. I feel I do actually have a couple of Halloween looks that I want to get done this year, so maybe I'll hold on to that one for that reason. And then this one can go. Although that's a very pretty, this bottom shade right here, very pretty color. That one can go. And then these liquid blushes, like I just, you know, I'm gonna let go of these 2 shades. Can you see that? Let me focus on that. Focus on, there you go. They're called Rosy Posy and Soft Tulip. I'll let go of those 2. Go ahead. Hold on. You see how they're still in the packaging, but I just, you know, mind your business. Let's see. What else do we have in here? This ColourPop bronzer. Oh, she looks dried out. She can go. Oh, I don't know. Again, it's just, I know it's real. All over the place. What is this? Oh, this is from NARS. It's their bronzer, Laguna 05. It was a nice bronzer. She's also giving a tad bit dried out. I'm gonna keep. Also, NARS don't make that many bronzers for my skin tone, so when they do have one that I can use, what is this? Oh, the Tantor from Huda Beauty. I forgot I even had this. Looks like that. That's the shade. That one can go. Are these blushes? Yes, they're blushes from Pat McGrath that I can't open. Looks like this. That's a very pretty shade that I know there's another one. Oh, it's over here. That I don't want to let go of, so I'm gonna keep that one. But what does this one look like? That one looks like that. That one can go. And what's crazy is like I don't have that much makeup, especially that I used to have in years, and especially compared to other content creators, but like this is still too much for me. Also because like, baby, there's only so much that I can use. I don't go that many places often, and it's just like you know, you gotta be realistic. You just gotta be realistic. What's that? This Black Radiance contour palette looks like this. I feel like also there are some things I can't let go of because of nostalgia. Like, it's just, we've been like this. I've been here since before they came out with this extended shade, and because you guys remember they had, what is this, dark deep, they had a dark or medium to dark palette before that I had to use, and I just, you know, there are some things I just can't let go of. I think I can let go of this. I remember this Tammy's collaboration palette with Makeup Revolution, especially the eyeshadow palette. Let this book and go. What's down here? What's this? What's this? Patrick Ta. I have a product from Patrick Ta. I do not. Oh, this is supposed to be a foundation, right? I don't believe I liked this. It can go. I'm not that impressed with Patrick Ta's. Not I only have 11 minutes left. I'm not that impressed with Patrick Ta's makeup brand. Everything is very not for me. And you know, I peep and I follow. So, ooh, is that another? Oh, that's a pretty shade from Pat McGrath. It's a blush. I'm not going to use it though, so that can go. This L'Oreal Infallible bronzer. I was using her for a little minute. I'm gonna keep this. This was a very good bronzer that was slept on. I'm not letting go of this. That's also like when you declutter, you're reminded of products. I was like, you're really good. This matte skin finish bronzer from MAC is a very good bronzer that I feel like is kind of slept on. So if you're looking for bronzer, go ahead and check that out. I do plan on doing the video on the MAC Skin Radiance foundation. It's taking me a minute to get the foundation because I couldn't get it in store, and then trying to order it online was a hassle, but that should be up within the next few days. So I'll use the bronzer with that foundation. Prime Beauty, again, things that I just be holding on to because I'm like, I don't want to let go. The Prime Beauty bronzers are really when brands were like, okay, no, we can put out bronzer shades that are inclusive too. They got them started on that. So I kind of don't want to let them go for those reasons. I did have the whole range, and then I let go of most of them. I only kept the last two, so I feel like keeping the last, but you see how there's legit dust on it because I haven't used it, but I'm not going to let go of it. I have this powder bronzer from Sephora. That's what the shade looks like. I can let go. It's a good bronzer. It's a nice subtle bronzer. I can let go of it. These Vesca bronzers, if you guys remember them, I feel like I can let go of these. You guys know the company shut down? Like they had their, was that this year? That was this year that they had their final like going out of business sale and stuff like that, I think. But I can let go of this. What is this? It's a bronzer from Makeup Revolution that I didn't even remember that I had, so it can go. What is this? Oh, it's also from Makeup by Mario. It's that sculpting stick. Oh, that's the brush. Looks like this. That can go. There's lip products down here. I really don't have any business having these many lip products because I don't use anything besides Fenty gloss bombs, some lip liner, and like a couple Buxom gloss. Is that gloss here? Because I got a where is it? I got a Buxom lip gloss in the mail, another plumping shade. Highly recommend. Is it this one? Yes, is it? Yes. This pumpkin pie Buxom plumping lip cream is a very pretty color if you like nude lips and stuff like that. And it does actually plump your lips. If you don't like that burning sensation, then I would not recommend these because these actually are like plumping lip products. But These Buxom glosses, lip products, and the Fenty lip products are really like the only lip products that I use. So it's like, you have no reason to keep all of these, but also I'm also at a point where I'm like, I don't want to sit through and go through everything to be like, no, I don't want it, especially for lip products. It's a lot. Like, it's a lot. Like, is this not literally just the same shade over and over again, just in a bunch of different brands? Like, who wants to sit through that and be like, no, I'm gonna keep that pink, but this pink can go, but that pink can go, but I'll keep this brown, but I don't want that brown. So that's how I just end up like, look, just still in the packaging. So I'm like, it's a pretty color, maybe I'll get around to using it, but then I never do. But actually, wait a minute, these are actually very pretty colors. These are from ColourPop. It's their ultra glossy lip. Hold on a second, because wait a minute, those are actually very cute colors. Now that I took them out of the packaging, I'm gonna leave them on top where I have all the other Fenty lip products. Maybe that'll make me want to use them even more. Here's another one. That's another pretty color for the fall. There might be some lip what is this? Oh, baby, this Essence Shine lip gloss. This is like, if you like that wet lip look that's also like the ultimate gloss, baby, this as a topper, like just juice. Absolutely. See, again, you got to do stuff like this to be reminded that you have price. I'm gonna put that on top so that I can use that the next time that I wear my makeup. But baby, is there something you're gonna get rid of? What is this? Glossed from Sephora. Have I ever opened it? I have not even opened this before. I'm gonna go ahead, put that down. What is this? It's a cute color. Clearly there is something wrong with me. Now, I needed a red lipstick the other day. I have not worn colored lipstick in a good minute. And I was going through and I could not find the right shade. Here it is, still in the packaging. What is this? These Rare Beauty lipsticks that you push and then pull out. These are good lipsticks. I just don't wear bullet lipsticks like that often, so I can let go of these. See, look at that. Look at growth. What is this? This is an e.l.f. lip plumping gloss. Does it actually plump? I don't remember if it does, but it can go. Okay, I do not want this. What is that? I used to be looking. What is this? This is the Neon Midas collaboration Dusk Face Palette. It looks like this on the inside. I will go ahead. Ooh, when you be looking at things, you're like, oh, you are used. You were used, but I'm gonna go ahead, get rid of this. What is this? This is some ColourPop Paradise City Super Shock bronzer. Oh, baby, I know this is dried out. Go ahead, let go of that. And I don't want the camera to cut off before I can give an outro. So I know, chaotic type of declutter, but like I said, I just felt a random urge to just let go of things. So that is my quick little, I'm just looking at stuff like, can you go? That is my quick little, what is this? Keys Soul Care. It's probably chapstick. Yeah, that can go. Quick little free yourself declutter. Let me know. Ooh. Might be getting a little too old to sit like this nowadays. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for hanging out with me and just kind of listening to me talk for, I don't know, 21 minutes. And I will probably continue to sit here and go through this because these cannot continue to look like this. Look at them. Look at it. All right, y'all, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.